Hi guys, Miss Eglin. Today I am back in school trying to clean up still. I'm taking down the bulletin board. I had a black cloth up. That was kind of the background for my chalkboard, rainbow chalkboard theme, which I don't think I'll ever have again because I'm having to throw out all this stuff. So basically, it's going down and it's not coming back up. I had to tear the posters down myself, taking paint off the wall. I did not put those up because I'm not tall enough. So again, the posters all got ripped, so they will not be going back up again. But I guess it's CDC recommendations. I'm trying to talk over this music that somebody left blaring. Sorry about that. And today is Tuesday, and this is actually the start of the week for students because we had an in-service day yesterday where teachers had to come and we had meetings. So today we are working on pronouns, and we are also doing our editing warm-up, writing with pronouns, and makeup tests for bargain for students who were absent or did not complete the test on Friday. So it is actually our first day of the new semester, and so it will be the first day of our next marking period. So we are now into quarter 3, which is amazing because the year has gone pretty fast. So that is basically the rundown for today. So I will try to vlog during the day if I have time, which I probably won't. Okay, bye.